The Assisi Development Foundation Incorporated was founded in 1975 with only the faintest vision of the great work it will accomplish 4 decades later. Inspired by the spirit of Saint Francis of Assisi and motivated by the power of Christian service, the newly established foundation began with the most basic of development programs. It defined for itself a fundamental mandate that will guide its growth across the years ahead. Serve the poor with the love of Christ, serve with a faith that does justice. This is the very heart of Assisi.
The Assisi Foundation was inspired by Father Francisco Araneta, and he wrote our development philosophy for Assisi, and that's how we started. At that time, the projects, one was for industrialization in the countryside, where we converted the simple coconut into several products, and accompanied by a rice mill for farmers' cooperatives so they could mill their own rice.
Assisi was founded on the unwavering partnerships of people who have all embraced the common mission of empowering millions of disadvantaged Filipinos towards economic security, social solidarity, and full human development.
Siguro, nung inalok sa akin itong programang ito, ay tinanggap ko agad dahil nakita ko na ito naman ay nakakatulong hindi lamang sa ating, kumbaga, maliit na pamayanan, kundi sa buong bansa. Nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na linkage, na kumbaga ang mga nagmamalasakit ay hindi lamang sa loob ng maliit na mundo ng kanilang ginagalawan, kundi meron din palang tinatawag na kooperasyon.
Kung hindi po sa tulong ng Assisi ay hindi po kami nabigyan ng malaking importansya, lalo na dito sa lupa na noon kasi kahit inawardan kami ng lupa ay hindi namin kaya magpagawa ng bahay na ganito. Maraming salamat dahil naging parte kami ng buhay nila. At saka hindi namin talaga ini-expect na kung kami lang mga ate, kahit na nanaginip din kami, pero kung kami lang po na hindi tumulong yung Assisi Foundation, hindi po namin mararating yung ganito kagandang Ate Village ng Boracay.
I value so much the partnership of the LGU and the Assisi. It really helped a lot, essentially, sa lahat ng constituents ko dito. I'm also thanking Assisi for giving those aids, most especially on those times that we are very much in need of help right after Yolanda.
You've done a lot of good things in this world. I hope this continues. Ang dami nang itayo doon sa ibang bayan na nirefer ko sa kanila. May mga ibang countries na rin who are willing to help through Assisi. Kaya nga nasabi ko na ang puso ng Assisi Foundation ay Dalisay at Tunay. And I'm very proud to be part of Assisi.
If you want to make an impact in the lives of people, we all have to work hand in hand. We are always ready to partner with people who believe in what we envision, and the Assisi Development Foundation is one such group.
We are very happy that we became a partner. We experienced how ADFI in Tabang Mindanao was very active. It's the heart, it's the commitment. That's what they're after. They see to it that you're involved, that you get the right information, the updated information, what's going on at the field level.
These are the very partnerships that continue to move Assisi today as it takes on new challenges in its mandate of promoting social development through humble and compassionate Christian service.
Assisi being a family foundation, and at the same time, it was grounded on programs promoting peace with justice. No? And therefore, it was not afraid to venture into new grounds. As a matter of fact, Assisi is a pathfinder. No? It opens new grounds, it opens new paths for others to follow. It's difficult, no? It's not easy, but I think the consistency and the determination of the foundation just to focus on that segment is very heartening for someone who is involved with Assisi.
Across 40 years, Assisi has created and managed various development programs that all respond to the call of the times as it emerges in the various situations of poverty and underdevelopment in different parts of the Philippines. These programs have a scope of impact that includes the sustainable development of individuals, families, and communities. They are fueled by the passion for elevating people's life conditions through the promotion of peace and faith. Then and now, Assisi's programs have been the very instruments that enable the organization to contribute significantly to the massive effort of healing an entire nation and building it up towards a better future.
Pinagmamalaki namin ang water system na galing sa Assisi. 10 ng aking mga kabarangay, maski man lang sa pamamagitan ng mensahe na ito, gusto namin ipahatid sa inyo na ang aming buong pusong pasasalamat sa inyo.
Yung project ay alam ko maganda siya. It will bring a greater impact to the community, especially bringing human security programs sa community. Ito yung kailangan ng community. So ito nakita namin yung opportunity with the Assisi. Yung mga tao sabi, ay hindi ako. Parang pagpasok namin dito sa basic literacy, illiterate kami. Yung ganon yung konsepto nila eh. So naiba yun nung nandoon na talaga sila. Makikita mo na yung little by little yung mode of or level of participation nila. Yung
hindi namin nakakalimutan ang tulong nila sa amin. Malaki po ang utang na loob namin sa kanila. Unang-una po na-rehab nila yung mga bahay namin. Saka yung tubig na ginagamit namin, yan ang pinaka-importante din sa amin. Naka-experience po kami sa pag-organize sa mga tao at saka pagiging leader. Doon ko naka-experience ang pagiging pinuno. Ang pinuno ay hindi lang basta posisyon. Aksyon kaagad ang leader. Kung ano ang problema sa komunidad, haharapin mo talaga hanggat sa maayos mo yun.
May malaking pagbabago kagaya sa amin na nag-adapt sa programa. Mas masipag ngayon ng tao dahil sa mga nagawa ng Sanctuary Office ay wala na kaming kinatatakutan dito dahil medyo kapit-bisig kami sa kabila. Ang tinitingnan namin dito yung darating na panahon sa mga bata.
Pagdating ng Assisi, Raptor Yolanda, napakalaking tulong sa akin. Doon nag-umpisa yung aking pananim. Yung anak ko, pipito. Sa katunayan, hindi kami naghihirap. Sana magtuloy-tuloy po ang yung programa ng Assisi Foundation para marami pong matulungan nila.
Malaki po ang impact para sa aming mga bata na recipients po ng Hapag-asa feeding program. Sila po ay naging masaya. Ngayon, nakita namin ang improvement ng kanilang mga achievement. Tumaas po ang kanilang mga grado.
Yung Assisi talaga yung nagturo sa amin kung paano kami makisalamuha sa ibang mga tao at saka kung paano namin ipalago yung negosyo namin. Nakikita ko na yung Assisi yung pinaka malakas tumulong sa amin. Pinaka-umpisa naming nagpamulat sa mga isipan namin na kung ano ang dapat na nagagawin namin sa aming buhay, na hindi na lang hanggang dyan lang kami, kundi iangat pa namin yung buhay namin.
Assisi's achievements as a development foundation perfectly combine with the depth of faith and loving service that its own people share with one another as a family. For the men and women who have served and continue to serve in Assisi, the organization is both a source of meaningful purpose and spiritual growth. To them, Assisi is more than just an organization where they work. Assisi is their Christian community in which they are able to live out their duty of compassionate service for the poor.
It's the most meaningful thing that I can really devote my life to rather than what I originally intended. I would never have had the opportunity to do what I'm doing now if I just stayed in the corporate world. When you see the completed project, it's really a fulfilling, a sense of like, wow, how nice that we've made this change in the community.
For me, Parang Assisi became a family. As member of the staff and member of admin, we were just one family. We tried to learn the principles of St. Francis of Assisi and implement them.
Today, after 4 decades of genuine and successful Christian service, Assisi is poised to meet the challenges of both present and future times. As one organization, its people are as inspired as ever in the work of promoting development, peace, and justice across the Philippines. They march forward knowing that the gains of the past 40 years will guide them towards better and higher pathways in their search for sustainable growth and life transformations for millions of poor Filipinos.
We are now in the new Advent. So our role in Assisi is the same role as John the Baptist in the first Advent, announcing the coming of the kingdom of God. We are forerunners and stewards. So the people at that time were asking St. John the Baptist, what should we do? And he said, the man with 2 cloaks should give one to a person without a cloak. And likewise, with a person with food, should share.
As it looks forward to many years of service ahead, the Assisi Development Foundation finds itself grateful for and humbled by the graces of God that have made it overcome the many challenges of the past. Holding on to the same faith that gave it birth, Assisi at age 40 is willing, able, and ready to do God's work in the lives of many and in the future of an entire nation.